Hey, welcome to another video from Loser LLM. Today we're going to be troubleshooting how to install LangFlow on Windows. So chances are, if you're trying to install it, you may have seen an error that I did, right? So this will occur when you don't have all of the required dependencies. So all of the things that you need to have required for LangFlow to run properly. You will see this screen if you do not have them installed, right? So what we're going to do today is I've got a guide that I'm going to walk through. Very easy. It says 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. Okay. So let's get into it. So the very first thing we do is we download this tool called UV. Okay. So this is the blocker that's preventing LangFlow from running. This will solve the problem for 99% of the people on Windows. So first we're going to go to this website, and this guide is pasted in the description of this video. So you can just click more down below and then copy and paste. If you have any issues with this guide, please let me know so that I can make the corrections and it can become available to everyone. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this website, which I've already opened the page for. I'm going to scroll down here until I see this UV.EXE 86_64 version. For Windows, I'm going to go ahead and download that. Once it's downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and open my folder, and I'm going to extract the contents of the folder. So let's take a look at the guide. So it says, go to your downloads folder, right-click the zip file, and then click extract all. Okay, so let me show you that one more time here. So, whoop. So downloads, here's my zipped folder. I'm going to right-click on that. And right here where it says extract all, I'm going to click that. I'll do it one more time here. Click extract all. We're just going to replace some of them because this is the second time here. Now the folder, it should open as soon as you finish the extract, right? So on this very first one, let's pop into our guide one more time. So after we've extracted it, we want to copy UV.EXE, okay? So let's go back to our folder that we just extracted. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to right click and then just click copy, or you can, whichever method you prefer. And then I'm going to, down here below it says press Windows key plus R. So I'm actually going to just type in run, hit enter. And then I've already got this pasted in here. Again, you can just copy this, this line here that begins with a percentage point, whatever, or mark, whatever it's called. Copy that, click OK. It's going to open another folder for you. So they're already here, but in your folder, this location will be empty. So I'm going to here's what you'll see. Paste it. And that's it. Close the folder. And then launch LangFlow. And that's it. That'll get you up and running. If you have any issues, please let me know down in the comments below so I can make another video and we can help as many people as possible get set up in LangFlow. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.